everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a 27,000 original mile Survivor 1978 Magnum XE. Super cool car, guys. Matter of fact, it just turned 27,000 because I put about 70 miles on this car since I've had it. Wicked cool car, all original paint. It's the original Starlight blue, the original vinyl top, all original B3 light blue vinyl interior. Again, 27,000 original miles on this car. I put the Magnum 500s and the BFGs on it. Those are brand spanking new. I just had to. That's a look I wanted on this car. But it does come with the original, I think it's called W25 aluminum wheels with the white. It's got white wall radials on it. But super cool car, fun car to drive. Everything on this doggone thing works. Just a real fun car. Again, all original paint. Yes, you can pick at that. There's some touch-up marks. There's a couple little dings on it, but it's original. It's a Survivor car. Chrome and stainless is gorgeous on it. I mean, it is cool. Look how nice these are. Again, there is some touch-up marks. You can definitely pick at the paint, guys. Bumpers are original bumperettes, bumper guards, whatever you want to refer to them as. This is a fun car, man. Factory dual chrome mirrors. It's got the original glass in it. It's got the original tinted glass. It's really turn the key, go cruising. I had it on the expressway at 80 miles an hour. The cruise control works, the air works, the AM/FM radio works. And this stuff is just starting to get hot, man. Matter of fact, I was at a cruise this weekend, and there was a couple mid to late 70s, early 80s cars out there. Because this stuff's affordable. It's fun. You don't have to break the bank to buy it. Again, brand, those are 255/60s in the rear, 15x7s on the front, 15/8s on the rear. So it's got that staggered hot rod look. I also just put brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. I just had to have the sound. Again, I do these cars like I would want them. Like I'm going to keep it forever and drive it. But it had the stock single exhaust. As a matter of fact, when you see the pictures the underneath, it still had the original heat shield on the floorboard. I did have them leave that just in case somebody wanted to take it back to the stock single exhaust. Again, you can nitpick the paint, guys. It's the original paint. It has not been repainted. Factory wheels are in great shape. If you need a picture of those, just call the guys. This is the last of the B bodies, I believe. It's got the power front disc brakes. The only thing he said that had been changed on this car, they put radials on it. It had a NOS tailpipe and muffler on it. Like I said, I took that off. And they put new shocks on the rear and new springs because he said it was just starting to sag a little bit. Original 318 electric lean burn system on it, factory electronic ignition, stock, completely stock. Intake, carb, exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have air works, air blows cold. Original radiator with a shroud. Again, the cruise control works. Clean as can be. Never had any body panels changed. It's all original. Look how nice that dash is. Factory dual chrome mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Again, all original stainless. It's in great shape. Just a cool car, man. There's your original door tag. Door seams are nice and clean. This is your original interior. Factory power seat, and it works. Well, we got a key on, that's right. Bucket seats. I put the new floor mats in it. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel, the little discolorization. Yeah, 2719. Like I said, I put about 70 miles on. All the gauges work. Again, the air works. Wipers work. AM/FM radio works. Again, I put the brand new dual exhaust gas, stock rear end, rear sway bar, hits the road real good. All original body panels. It's got the factory jack in here with the spare. And then again, here's your original window sticker for the car. And they haven't put any panels on this car, guys. It's got a little bit of this in it. That's the problem with rubber mats. That's exactly what they do. Clean car, man. Clean underneath. Like I say, if you look at the pictures, you're going to see the original heat shield from the single exhaust. I left that on. Very cool car, man. It's just a little dust there, guys. Fortunately, it did get in the rain. When I bought it at the car show, it was actually raining the day before, so. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Fun car. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, I put miles on it. Probably 70 miles I put on it. It hits the road great. Everything opens and closes real nice. What a cool car, man. Different. You don't see this stuff. Like I say, it's just starting to jump up in popularity. Door buzzer works. All your gauges are functional. Go heavy 70s doors. Neat car.
Fair and equitable housing for all.
Radio works, blower motor works. How about that? Isn't that cool? Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.